Are you in your 30s or 40s and starting to feel, well, a bit off? Maybe your energy is tanking, your mood is all over the place, or you're noticing changes you just can't explain. What if I told you there is a superfood sitting in your pantry right now that could be the key to navigating this next chapter with energy and confidence? Welcome to your Daily Reset. Dr. Victor Leland here again. We're talking about legumes. That's right, beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. Today, I'm going to show you why these humble powerhouses are your secret weapon for balancing hormones naturally during pranayama and beyond. So, let's get into the science of it, because this is fascinating. During pranayama, our estrogen levels start to fluctuate like a crazy roller coaster. 1 month they're plummeting, leaving you with brain fog and hot flashes. The next, they're surging, causing bloating and irritability. It's this unpredictability that makes us feel so out of control. This is where legumes come in. They contain these amazing plant compounds called phytoestrogens. Think of them as nature's hormone helpers. Phytoestrogens have a really clever dual action effect. When your estrogen is low, they gently bind to your estrogen receptors, giving you a mild estrogenic lift. This can help ease symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and even support bone density. A major study published in the journal Menopause found that women who consumed more soy cephalavones, a type of phytoestrogen, reported significantly fewer and less severe hot flashes. It's like giving your body a little nudge in the right direction. But what about when your estrogen is too high? This is the other side of the perimenopausal coin, known as estrogen dominance. Well, phytoestrogens are smart. Because they're weaker than your body's own estrogen, they can actually block the more powerful problematic estrogen from binding to receptors. This helps your body detoxify the excess, reducing symptoms like breast tenderness, heavy periods, and mood swings. A healthy gut microbiome is the foundation of everything: your immune system, your mood, and yes, your hormone balance. These good bugs help process and eliminate used-up estrogen from your body. If your gut is sluggish, that old estrogen can get reabsorbed, contributing to estrogen dominance. So, a happy gut means happy hormones. Second, fiber helps stabilize your blood sugar. You know that afternoon energy crash that has you reaching for sugar or more caffeine. Wild blood sugar swings put a ton of stress on your adrenal glands, which messes with your cortisol levels. And when cortisol is out of whack, it throws all your other hormones, including estrogen and progesterone, off kilter. By eating fiber-rich legumes, you get a slow, steady release of energy, keeping you feeling full, focused, and balanced all day long. This is why they're amazing for managing weight and fighting off that stubborn hormonal belly fat. I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about the gas and bloating? And I've heard legumes have lectins that are bad for you. Great questions. Let's clear that up. Most of the compounds that cause digestive upset, like lectins and phytic acid, are concentrated on the outside of the legume. The solution is simple preparation. If you're using dried beans or chickpeas, soak them overnight in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. Then discard that water and boil them thoroughly in fresh water until they're very soft. For lentils, just a good rinse and boiling is enough. This process neutralizes most of the lectins and makes them much easier to digest. Canned beans are also a great option. Just be sure to rinse them really well before using. Your gut will thank you. So, how can you easily get more of these superfoods into your diet? It's easier than you think. You don't have to eat a giant bowl of beans every day. Start small. How about adding a spoonful of lentils to your soup or salad, or blending some white beans into a smoothie for a creamy, protein-packed boost? You won't even taste them, I promise. You could swap your regular pasta for chickpea or lentil pasta that's delicious and loaded with protein and fiber. For breakfast, try a tofu scramble instead of eggs. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a fantastic source of phytoestrogens. For lunch, have a big salad topped with chickpeas or a warm lentil salad. Hummus is your best friend. Use it as a dip for veggies or spread on a sandwich instead of mayonnaise. For dinner, think about a black bean burger, a 3-bean chili, or a hearty lentil curry. The possibilities are endless and delicious. The goal is to aim for about a half cup to a full cup serving per day. Now, I want to be clear. Many women find incredible relief with hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, and that is a fantastic and valid choice. What is so powerful about legumes is that they can be a wonderful natural alternative for women who can't or prefer not to use HRT. They can also work beautifully alongside HRT as a complementary approach, supporting your body's overall health and detoxification pathways. It's not about one or the other. It's about creating a holistic toolkit that works for you. It's about empowering you with choices. By incorporating legumes, you're not just balancing your hormones, you're supporting your heart health, building strong muscles with plant-based protein, and fueling your brain. You're taking a proactive step to feel vibrant, strong, and in control of your health journey. This isn't about restriction. It's about adding in nutrient-dense foods that love you back. It's about nourishing your body so you can thrive through this transition and feel better than ever. Imagine waking up with steady energy, a clearer mind, and a more stable mood. That is totally possible. Your challenge this week is to try adding legumes to at least one meal every day. See how you feel. It could be as simple as a scoop of hummus with your lunch or some black beans in your evening stir-fry. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to rock your hormones and feel your absolute best. See you in the next video.